here. You're finna see this lovely look. This 420 look. This look was brought to you by Talia Beauty. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Come a part of my cutie squad. Thank you. Please enjoy this video. Grab a cup of tea, a nice snack, and lay back and relax. Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I am going to be giving y'all a really cute look. I'm giving y'all this cute hair, space buns, kind of like, I don't know, it's just really cute to me. Like, anyways, let's get into this look. So this look today is going to be inspired by Bob Marley 420. So it's going to be a lot of yellows, greens, and reds. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So I already did my eyebrows. I already have, you know, did my, like, you know, my eyes. So we're gonna go in with our palette. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm gonna be taking this yellow shade right here, and that's called Lemonade Craze. And I'm gonna take that, and I'm just gonna take that from my crease into my brow bone. Alright, so when you have that build up to a good place you want it, I'm gonna go into my Fantastique palette, and I'm gonna take this color Joel, and this is this yellow color. I'm gonna put that in the same spot just to build more yellow. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to take this light shade right here, and this is called Struck of Luck, the light green shade. Alright, and I'm just gonna take this right here in my crease. Alright, so the next color that I'm going to go in with is the darker shade right next to it, and it's called Express Yourself. So this one, I'm just gonna put it right below my crease. I'm sorry that I'm doing this face, but alright. And then I'm gonna go back in with the same yellow I used before, and from the Rude Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna just put it there to make it more vibrant. I like this very much. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you up close. And yes, featuring my Five Nights at Freddy's poster. Alright, so I want this to be a little darker. So what I'm actually gonna go in with is I'm gonna take these two shades, and I'm gonna just blend that in there to make this more of a smoky eye. Alright, so this is the finished thing, you know. So I am going to conceal this up. Alright, so I'm going to be blending it with my foundation brush, and this foundation brush is from the $1 Billion Brush collection. It's just a foundation brush. Alright, so a 420 look wouldn't be a 420 look if it ain't yellow, green, and red. So, so I'm going to be taking this color from my Morphe Cosmetics palette. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. Prism palette, and I'm going to take the messed up shade, and I'm going to put that on my right here and my inner corner. So I'm gonna put on lashes, finish up my face and all that, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.